The problem that we are going to tackle today is AC is not working. You turn on the AC, turn on the fan, but there's no cold air blowing inside the house. Not even air blowing. Yesterday, our issue is that when you turn on to cool, the unit outside, the compressor runs, but the fan is not spinning. What I did is I replaced the capacitor and the fan started to work. And then when I do a complete testing, I found out that there's no cold air inside the house. To watch the video on the first issue, how I fixed it, I have the URL. You can find the URL in the description of this video. So let's head upstairs and check the AC unit in the attic. Okay, time to go upstairs. See you up there. So this is the HVAC unit upstairs. The first thing that I check is the capacitor. So the capacitor is located here. I took it out already, and I noticed that the terminals are bulging, so it looks like it's bad. But before I remove the capacitor, make sure that you unplugged or turn off the power supply. Safety first. So what I did is this capacitor has 12.5 microfarad. So I went to our nearest HVAC store and they tested this capacitor and confirmed that it's bad. So hopefully it works. I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the new capacitor. This new capacitor is same type and I bought it for only $15. The new capacitor is now installed. I attached the two brown wires to the probes. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to turn on that switch. That's the power supply. If you guys have an outlet, then you have to plug in your unit. After I turn on my power supply, just to check, I have to push this knob right here to test that there is power coming in. And then you see that red light right there? That means there is power. So I put back the cover. And now we are ready to test. Honey, go ahead and turn on the AC. So my wife is turning on the AC downstairs. Oop. Yes! Did you guys hear that? The blower is working. It's running. Mission accomplished. Project completed. I hope you guys like this video. I hope this is helpful. My goal here is for you guys to save money. I only spent less than $50 for buying one capacitor for my AC unit outdoor, and then the capacitor for this unit in the attic. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye. I am going to test again and check, make sure we're getting air from this outlet. You have in cool position and turn on the fan. And yes, we're getting cold air. Test is successful. One last reminder, replace your air filter. You don't have to wait for 90 days. Do a visual check. If it's dirty, replace it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Bye.